Hello everybody, XJOE81. Hello, how are you? We are going to be doing another video. About Super Clean. This is the aerosol can. The first video you watched was the tire treatment. That's going to be right down in that description, and click on the link if you did not watch that. Today we're going to be looking at this barbecue. It's relatively clean, but we're going to try the Super Clean Tough-Task Cleaner-Degreaser aerosol. Okay, right off the bat it says you could use this on brakes, grills, and engines. Also tools and driveways, outdoor furniture, marine, kitchen, bathrooms, and everything else. And of course, please always read the directions. They're there for you. Okay, they're there for you. And then there's important stuff, and there's dangers, first aid, and everything else. So the first thing it always is going to say is always try an inconspicuous area. Well, you know what? I'm just going to hit it. What's the worst that could happen? I own it. Okay? You could use multiple different things to clean this. I'm just going to spray it. Okay? And I'm going to wipe it off with paper towels. You could use a squeegee, you could use a blankie, you could use anything you want. I wouldn't recommend agitating this because it's aluminum. I would just recommend maybe getting it really nice and wet and letting it sit. Let's see what it says. It does not avoid surfaces, cover, super clean, strength allow time to dissolve the grease, do not allow it to dry, and then rinse thoroughly and dry. So they do want you to rinse it, but I'm going to wipe it off today. I'm going to wipe it off. So what we have on the tubes today is some barbecue, some schmutz. I don't know if you could really see what's there. So let's just test the spray. Okay, and let's get it on. Let's really cover that barbecue stain, you know? And we're going to take a very helpful hand of paper towels. And again, you could use anything you want. You could have a cloth that's wet. You could, whatever you feel like it. It's yours. You're responsible. So now it's kind of drying. You see that it's changed its luster. So let's just swipe. Let's see what happens when we just swipe. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're not even good at swipe again. We're gonna hit the surface again. We're gonna fold the paper towel to a cleaner area. Cleaner area, everybody. This is a cleaner area. And it's dissolving, it's dissolving, it's dissolving. You don't want it to get it dry. Again, it's not gonna be perfect from the factory only because this is 10 years old. But it's going to degrease and make it as clean as you want it. You could hit it so many times. Look at all that. Even now, look at it. It's still dirty, everybody. This is just doing its job. Again, once again, just be careful of the area. Aluminum is a little bit not forgiving depending on its style. And we're going to come right here. Why not? Let's just keep going. We're going to remove the knobs if we can on camera. We're going to move them out of the way. They're universal. We could clean them with soap and water. You don't have to necessarily use this product, but aerosol, but you can use this product. And here we are, everybody. We're going to just hit this right there. Oh, yeah. Let's get crazy. Let's just get crazy. Get that product on there. Let's use a fresh paper towel. Let's use an abundance amount. Again, you could dip a towel in it. You could do anything you want. It should sit for 30 seconds. We could hit the rod real quick just to get it clean. Okay, it's dissolving. Let's get right in here and just take off, everybody. Just take off the dirt and grime that sits on a barbecue. Let's work on and around. Again, be careful of certain barbecues. I did not test this in a sense where it could take off the pre-printed stuff. I do have to mention that. You have to be responsible for that. Look at this. I do not want you to go to a barbecue and then all of a sudden it takes off all your indications as far as hot or anything else. Let's just get right down in here, everybody. Let's just kind of soak up, you know. There we go. Might have to change that battery off camera, which means nothing to you. Let's just get the knobs clean. Let's just change avenues here. You might have to reapply. For video purposes, we're just getting it in here. Look at this. This is completely clean, and it's not even messing with anything. Holy cow, everybody. Look at that. That's really sharp in my opinion. Well, let's go to the other side because we can. Look at that. Super duper clean. We're using a brand new set of paper towels for this one, folks. The other one got wet and damp and was discarded. Discarded. And once again, you could go back over with a damp cloth if there is any residue, or a regular cloth. Now this is drying. Let's go with the magic of super clean. Oh, let's get it in. Oh, jeez. Let's work that. See, let's work that a little bit. It's a couple of things in here. A couple of stains. Look at that handprint. Look how dirty that was, everybody. Look at this super clean working, making everything worth presenting again during your family barbecues when your Uncle Billy comes over and he says, "Did you get a new barbecue, son?" "No, I just used super clean." And once again, try to get the residue off only because you can. Only because you can. This is going to wrap up this video. Stay tuned. We are going to go inside, everybody. We're going to go inside to the grill. And we're going to really test the aerosol. And we're going to go and use the original OG formula. Look at how clean that is. Once again, this is the super clean product. This was the aerosol can. And please stay tuned for more product information.